For today's video, we will discuss what is Phemex Trading Bot. So let's begin. Now, go to your mobile device and open the app so we could learn more about the Phemex Trading Bot. So right now, I'm here at the bot marketplace for trading bots. So if anyone might ask, what are Phemex Trading Bots? So basically, they are customizable trading systems that help users execute various automated trading strategies. Compared to a standard manual trading bots can execute orders with lower risk and at lower cost, and more quickly take advantage of market timing. Now, Phemex trading bots are completely free and available to all users. Your fees remain the same as your standard trading fees based on the VIP level. And now, what is the bot marketplace and how do you use it? Say this one. This is the bot marketplace right here. Now, to be able to understand, it is where Phemex traders can share their spot grid trading or contract grid trading bots. With one click, users can copy the bot trading strategies of top performing traders. And what are future grid trading bots? It's like a simple trading strategy that capitalizes on price fluctuations. Phemex offers grid trading bots with three strategy options: the long, the short, and the neutral, that users can choose from based on different market conditions. You can also set your future grid trading bot in Phemex. And first one of the ways is users can browse existing trading bots and copy one that they consider suitable for the current market and their personal trading goals. Second is in the contract trading page, users can toggle into the trading bot mode to create their trading bots. To do so, you'll need to set grid parameters such as the upper right or lower grid limits as well as number of grids, and you can refer to the more detailed in the help center for more information. Now, do future grid trading bots guarantee profits? Well, grid trading is usually more profitable when the market remains somewhat calm, right? Fluctuating within a certain price bucket, but keep in mind that in times of high prices can always exit the range. And lastly, what are spot grid trading bots? Basically, grid trading is a strategic tool that automates buying and selling crypto at presets and turbos around the preset price range to construct trading grids. All right, and that's it for today's video. That's Phemex Trading Bot. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.